Hello world, welcome to my channel. This very short video is on how to turn a King's dual zone fridge, how to turn one side of it off. Couldn't find any information on that out there, so I'm doing a video on it. It's going to be quick, short and to the point. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers guys. Okay, this is a short video on saying how to turn off one of your zones. So this side is the compressor side, and that side above the compressor, the other side is the bigger side. So if I want to turn the compressor side off, I would push that's how you do it. To get one side off, you have to push the positive and negative buttons, and that turns one side off. So now we're only using on one side over here, which is the larger side, which is the one up, the furthest one from me. So I've got that on at the moment. And then you push them both to get it back on again. So that's how you turn one side off, whichever side you want it off. So you're camping out there for a while and you've used your freezer up, you can turn your freezer off and just go back to just one side fridge. So I'm going to run through that again. You have to push them in exactly at the same time. It goes off. So yeah, you push positive and negative in exactly the same time and it goes off. I'm just going to wait for a little while before I do any more. I don't like turning things on and off real quick. And then if you want to turn it back on again, you push them both at the same time. It comes back on again, see? So that's how you turn one side off if you only want one half of the fridge working. But you have to push the positive and negative exactly at the same time. As I say, I always run my fridges on Eco. Don't need them on Max, unless you're in and out of it all day drinking beer and stuff. Most of the time you're in and out of it only occasionally.